If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Elden Ring, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Navigate to the graphics options and decrease settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help improve the game's performance. Step 4. Optimize game files. Use the game launcher to verify and optimize game files. This process can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting ensures that your system is using maximum resources for gaming, which can help reduce FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in Elden Ring.